Can't find your CCTV recordings in Playback? Don't worry, here's the real fix in just 90 seconds. First, check your recording mode. If it's set to motion only, you won't see continuous recordings. Next, check your recording schedule. Recording might be turned off for certain hours. If your hard drive is full, enable overwrite so old footage gets replaced automatically. Make sure your date and time are correct. Wrong time settings can make recordings look missing. Always select the correct date and camera channel in playback filters. If you see HDD errors, format the drive. In most cases, missing recordings are just settings issues, not a system fault. If this helped you recover your recordings, hit like and subscribe for more real CCTV fixes.
To avoid random camera disconnections, use reliable and tested equipment. To buy these, use links from description.